morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Allison, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, March 16th, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 26 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 38 and a low of 30, with mostly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
The whistle is blown.
Faith, line up.
The class is all here except me.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. The Blackhawks lost to the Winnipeg Jets by a score of 6-2. And the Bulls won against the Memphis Grizzlies with a score of 111-110. In preseason baseball, the Cubs lost to the Arizona Diamondbacks by a score of 3-2. And the Sox won against the Los Angeles Angels with a score of 7-2. There are no Cubs meeting today. Today's announcements are: today is Nacho Treat Day. If you pre-order nachos, come down at lunch and enjoy. Tonight is Multicultural Night in the Hoover Gym from 5:30 until 7 o'clock. Try different types of cultural foods and watch performances from the diverse culture at Hoover. Next week, Hoover is celebrating Music in Our Schools Month. On Monday, we will celebrate blues music, so wear blue clothes. Now, please watch this PBIS video for the month of March.
The whistle is blown.
Line up.
The class is all here except Nate and Ed.
Where's Nate and Ed?
Nate and Ed finally appear and they keep talking.
Guys, stop talking. We need to line up. Okay. Remember to respect your lunch supervisor.
Now a message from Miss Canoon and Miss Foy.
Well, good morning, Hoover staff and students. Welcome. You might notice this is not Mrs. Ankrum. We have a special guest visitor, and this is Mrs. Foy. She's here to help me do the announcements. So we have a lot going on at Hoover, even this morning, right?
Busy day.
Happy Friday, very
Friday.
busy day. We both have our green on for St. Patrick's Day. It's a green. Oh, yeah. We're not supposed to wear green. They may not see us.
Oh,
Oops.
mine's kind of working out okay.
Oh, well. So we're going to start right away. We have a couple special guests. We have Alex behind us here. He was honored last night at the school board meeting for his reflections entry, which is part of PTA. So why don't you go ahead and show us?
Wow.
Good job. It says, for your hard work and creativity for your film reflections project. So very good. He's recognized by the state.
We're so proud of you.
Very nice. Good job. All right. Our next guest. Thank you. You can go. We just got lots of special guests. We have Mrs. Chavez here.
Mrs. Chavez.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good.
Good. So I'm here to remind everyone that tonight is our multicultural fair at 5:30 to 7. Please come and try great food, watch awesome performances, and our wonderful fashion show too. We can't wait to see all of you. Make sure you remind your parents and bring the whole family. So we hope to see everyone today.
Thank you,
Thank
Mrs.
you,
Chavez.
Mrs. Chavez, for the reminder. We hope to see lots of Hoover families. By the way, thank you to those that came this morning for Muffins with Moms, Day 2.
So much fun. Yeah.
Another packed gym, so we really appreciate it. I know the kids enjoyed the muffins and getting to show their moms the gym and hanging out with their parents, or their moms. That was so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Herbie High Fives next. I have to have a list because we have so much going on.
Okay,
So
I obviously can't stick my hand through the top.
you go through the bottom.
Got it.
So we're both new at this. We both are, so it could be kind of So we're just going to read first names and room numbers. So listen up. We have Alex S. in room 203.
All right, Alexandra in 114.
We have Elena in room 203.
Nandini in 106.
And we have Johnavi. Johnavi.
Yeah.
Sorry, I mispronounced that. Room 206.
I think this is Dia in 121.
And, whoops, same student, actually.
I got Hamza in 101.
Dia in room 204.
Oh, geez, there's so many.
There's
Okay.
so many. I know.
Let's see, Marta in 106.
And we'll each do maybe one more.
Okay.
Tony in room 204, I believe.
And Sayuri in 121.
And I'll do one more. Zoe in room 205.
Congratulations. What? Oh, after announcements, you can go. Yeah.
All
right.
right. Next.
Congratulations.
Good job. And next is Smensels. I have the Smensel winners. We are going to read them. Good job. And we will go back and forth, listen up, and again, do not go down until after the announcements, okay? So we have Anna in room 117.
We have Sarah in 117.
Chris W. in room 211.
Eliana M. in room 211.
We have Kevin in 209.
We have Kiki in room 209.
Charlotte in room 209.
Timur in room 109.
Anthony in room 106.
Amulia in room 118.
Kevin in room 118.
Sarah Sakaguchi again in room 117.
And Brianna in room 206.
Maya in room 211.
Brooklyn in room 211.
Sayeda in room 211.
Landon in room 212.
Kira in room 210.
And Summer in room 108.
Congrats, lots of sixth graders. Good job, sixth
Yes, good job. And the highlight of the week always is our school song with ukuleles. There's nothing better, really. And we want our students to come up and help us out.
Come back and sing with us.
Come on back. You come right in front. We're going to put you way in the front. That's right.
Yeah, perfect.
Come on over here, guys. Come on over here. Over a little more. Over left.
Come in,
Left.
come in.
Come on back here. We got to get everybody in.
Right here. There you go.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray.
Yay! Okay, you guys could go off.
Thank you, Miss Canoe and Miss Foy. Friday's fact is, today is Panda Day. Panda bears look like big fluffy balls of fun wearing a tuxedo. Every year on this day, animal lovers spread the word about one of the world's most endangered and adored animals. To celebrate, visit your local zoo panda exhibit. Wear panda-themed clothes, or make a donation to a panda-based charity. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Confused Kangaroos production team. Have a happy third grade is going on a field trip Friday.